Do not make a sound. While exploring, you may see a meteor fall down. When you get close to it, you'll see creatures crawling out. They are death angels. They can see you, but they can hear you, so you can't even eat or place blocks. When they are close, you have to sneak, or they'll chase you until you are dead. Even up high, you are not safe, and it's nearly impossible to beat it. One way to beat it is by stunning it with hearing aid. When you kill it, it drops Carapace. With it, you can craft this angel's armor. The armor is strong and looks cool. Subscribe.